players with early-onset dementia to issue proceedings against rugby authorities. Former Wales captain Ryan Jones and England's 2003 Rugby World Cup winning hooker Steve Thompson are among the group of professional and semi-professional players involved in the class action lawsuit, a legal case involving a group of rugby players diagnosed with early-onset dementia and other irreversible neurological impairments now looks destined for the proceedings are to be issued by Rylands Law on behalf of a group of professional and semi-professional players against World Rugby, the Rugby Football Union and the Welsh Rugby Union. Sponsored link. Build and deploy a serverless database. Amazon Web Services. Recommended by the claimants, who include former Wales captain Ryan Jones and England's 2003 World Cup winning hooker Steve Thompson, argue that the sport's governing bodies were negligent in that they failed to take reasonable action to protect players from permanent injury caused by repetitive concussive and subconcussive. Ex-Wales captain Ryan Jones reveals dementia diagnosis. Alzheimer's Research UK to study links between sport and dementia. World Cup winner Steve Thompson on his struggle with dementia. A pre-action letter of claim was issued to the same governing bodies on behalf of a group of 9 players in December 2020. The parties have been unable to agree on a settlement since then, so the matter now appears likely to end up in court. The issuing of proceedings is set to happen on Monday and will mean the court takes over the management of the cases, putting the matter on a formal pathway to trial. Rylands said this application for a group litigation order is the biggest class action lawsuit to be launched outside the United States. In all, Rylands represents more than 185 rugby union players aged in their 30s, 40s and 50s. Jones, 41, a member of the British and Irish Lions squad on the 2005 tour of New Zealand, revealed his diagnosis with early-onset dementia and probable CTE in an interview with the Sunday Times earlier this month. "I feel like my world is falling apart," Jones told the newspaper. "I am really scared because I've got 3 children and 3 stepchildren and I want to be a fantastic dad. I lived 15 years of my life like a superhero and I am not. I don't know what the future holds. I am a product of an environment that is all about process and human performance. I am not able to perform like I could, and I just want to lead a happy, healthy, normal life. I feel that's been taken away and there's nothing I can do. I can't train harder, I can't play the referee, I don't know what the rules of the game are anymore." A statement from Rylands confirming the imminent issuing of proceedings concluded, "This claim isn't just about financial compensation, it is also about making the game safer and ensuring current and former players get tested so that if they are suffering a brain injury they can get the clinical help the players we represent love the game. We aim to challenge the current perceptions of the governing bodies to reach a point where they accept the connection between repetitive blows to the head and permanent neurological injury and to take steps to protect players and support those who are injured." Rylands declined to comment on whether former Gloucester lock Ed Slater, who has been diagnosed with motor neurone disease, is part of the group involved in the A World Rugby spokesperson, contacted before the announcement was made public, said, "As of Sunday afternoon, World Rugby has not been issued with a legal. It would be inappropriate to comment until we have received the formal details of any action being taken."